Hi, this is Ghulam Nabi. In this video, you will learn how to make a computer virus that can shut down yours or your friend's computer. So let's start. So to create a virus, just right click on your desktop and select shortcut from your new option, and that dialog box is appeared. Just type the command that I am typing. According to this command, computer will shut down within 10 seconds, and this is the message that will show when shutting down the computer. Then just click on next and type the virus name that you want. I just giving the name important file. After giving name to your virus, just click on finish and your virus is created. Now I want to change the icon of this file. To change the icon or logo of this file, just right click on and go to properties, and then you will see the option change icon. Just click on it and click OK, and then select the icon that you want. I just giving this icon. You can change your icon by your file that you download from internet, and just click on apply and click OK. This icon of the file is changed. Now your virus is ready. You can send it to your friends. Then your friend is open this file. The computer of your friends will automatically shut down within 10 seconds. In the next video, we will make a computer virus that can crash the windows of any computer or can format hard drive of any computer. So thanks for watching.